Here are some tips for keeping your kidneys clean and functioning well. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water helps flush out toxins and prevents kidney stones. Aim for 8 to 10 glasses of water a day. Eat a balanced diet. Consume a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Foods like berries, red bell peppers, and cabbage are particularly beneficial for kidney health. Limit salt intake. Excessive salt can increase blood pressure and strain the kidneys. Aim for less than 2,300 milligrams of sodium per day. High blood sugar can damage kidneys over time. If you have diabetes, manage it carefully through diet, exercise, and medication if necessary. High blood pressure is a leading cause of kidney damage. Maintain a healthy blood pressure through a balanced diet, regular exercise, and medication if needed. Frequent use of NSAIDs, non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs like ibuprofen, can damage the kidneys. Use them sparingly and only when necessary. Both alcohol and smoking can harm the kidneys. Limiting alcohol and quitting smoking can improve overall kidney function. Regular exercise is pivotal in maintaining a healthy weight and blood pressure, which, in turn, supports kidney health. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. While protein is essential for our bodies, too much can indeed burden the kidneys. It's advisable to stick to moderate amounts, particularly if you have existing kidney issues. Regular medical checkups can help detect kidney problems early, which is especially important if you have risk factors like diabetes or high blood pressure. By following these tips, you can help maintain healthy kidney function and prevent potential kidney problems. If you have any existing health conditions or are concerned about your kidney health, consult a healthcare professional for personalized advice. Remember, you can subscribe and share these tips with your loved ones.